This morning we're going to rip out our formwork.
When we constructed this formwork, we prepared it for pulling apart later. So some of our walls are made out of two pieces of formwork and have a piece that joins them together. By removing this joining piece, it'll make pulling these form walls out easier. This particular piece of formwork is a good example of how we pre-prepared it when we installed it with an angle cut, so we could remove it easily in this stage.
A bit like unbuttoning a puzzle.
By using my hammer gently, we can tap these forms free from the concrete. As all our forms are removed, we're starting to reveal the concrete that we poured underneath. Some of these large pieces of plywood can take a lot of work to get out.
Sometimes you have to struggle a bit, but you just keep persisting and it'll all come apart.
Here I'm preparing to remove one of the major wall foundation pieces. The main retaining wall foundation is complete and ready for our block.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.